Welcome. You are watching Line Screw 1. Okay, another van here, the Entegra. Very bright and white in there. Let's see what we got. The 2022 Entegra Coach Ethos 20A. There's the layout plan. And it's yours for only $164.9 Canadian dollars. I mean, it looks beautiful when it's black, but the problem with black is it doesn't age very well. It looks very scratchy and dirty.
I find these back seats are really a waste of space.
They're not needed.
Well, two people traveling.
If you have more people.
We have no.
Well, yeah, but you're not
Well,
gonna,
invite me along. I got my own RV, but you can invite me along and I'll sit there.
good for day trips, but
True.
Yeah.
you're not going to camp.
No.
Seat four people in it.
No.
No, well, you could, but you might not want to. There's the cockpit. What's the LED lights? Yeah, seating for four. Let's go see the head. I'm always. Oh, you know what? That's a reasonable sized bathroom. Yeah, I like it. You know what? There's no reason why you need to make the bathrooms extremely tight. This is reasonable. Any average sized person up to probably 6'2" can have no problem with it. It's a wet bath, but still, it's not that crowded. Of course, you don't have to close the door if you don't want to, but you got more than enough leg room. I mean, here, I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to sit on the loo. There you go. Look at my legs. Lots of room. It's beautiful. Okay, moving to the back here. Let's go see what the. Oh, it's a nice, cute little refrigerator. Yeah. Tiny freezer, but yeah, that's nice. I like it. Very small. And they've moved the galley to the back. That's a very interesting move. Two burner, microwave. Yeah, it's strange having it there. Microwave down here. Sleeping area. Obviously this pulls out to be larger, but perfect for one person. Let's see how these cupboards are. Oh, not bad. Not crazy about this exact shade of color and design, but it's not bad. I like it. So far, I'm the most impressed with the actual bathroom size. But, yeah, it's great. And there's your cockpit. Nice little seating area to have a little snack. This feels very wobbly, but oh well, what can you do? It's yours for $164.9. Come and get it now, folks.
Can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.